This is going to be your simple tutorial on how to utilize market to get your next winning trade. Super simple. Of course, the technicals come first. We're going to see the charts and we're just going to mark it. I already did that to save time with you guys. Boom, we're marked. So now where is the price of gold going? Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going sideways? Where is it going? Super simple. Let's go ahead and erase this. And that's where market shines. Boom, we have a new update. If you're an intraday trader or if you're a swing trader, it does not matter. We're going to have pullback levels for you guys, price targets, and the reason why. Just by clicking on this brain icon, you're going to understand why actually price will go to these levels. Now, I do want to show you it's not only that. Number one, that's going to be to plan your trade since you have it as a confluence, but what is actually affecting the price of your pair right now? That's where the key factors shine, which for the swing traders, it changes as you can see, and the intraday traders as well. Let's just go through them really quickly. We're going to see risk-off sentiment for intraday traders, which is bullish, Fed repricing, USD strength, China tax policy. Now for the swing traders, it's going to be USD strength, Fed policy, central bank buying, and geopolitics, which the last one is bullish. So as you can see, the pullback levels and the price targets do change between the two. And this is for you to be ready and to add it as a confluence. Now, third, you're going to go ahead and see the upcoming catalyst for gold, which again, these are past events. We did have ADP employment change today. And by clicking on the brain icon, you're going to understand what the impact was. You can even generate a report. And last but not least, by looking at the high impact event headlines, you're going to see what might be affecting your pair at this moment. So for example, we did have a Fed speaker saying that bearing new information, it would be reasonable to cut interest rates in December. By clicking the brain icon, you're going to understand what it is affecting and why. Now we understand a pullback level to the 4,000s and the bearish target to 39.24s. So going over here, I would be expecting price to go up here. We would be looking for buyer's exhaustion, and we would be entering on a sell around like this. And that's a 600 pip range that we can play with. And that's how you're going to secure your next winning trade with market.